Hey there, it's Cassandra from Passport and Soul, and today we're talking about 4 of our favorite meals on the jungle side of Tulum. At Passport and Soul, we help travelers of color learn how to travel soulfully and with ease. First, we're going to start out with a burger, because sometimes when you're on vacation, you want to have a big, juicy burger. And let me tell you, the burgers at Mayumi are delish. They are perfectly seasoned and perfectly cooked. And the drinks weren't bad either, because I really enjoyed that pina colada. It's an open air restaurant with great architectural interest. Now, it seems like you can get Italian food anywhere, even in the jungle. We discovered Tutti Frutti, which serves Italian street food. The owner was born and raised in Italy, and the food was hot, fresh, and simply divine. As you can see, I got the fritto, which is a fried seafood medley with octopus and shrimp and fries and calamari, while Craig got the panzerotti, which is similar to a calzone. So it was stuffed with tomato sauce and cheese and meat. And for dessert, we had freshly made donuts. The owner fried them up right then and there as soon as we ordered them. So they were hot and fresh. Now, be forewarned, this also is an open air restaurant, so you might make some new friends like I did, who are just looking for a tiny taste of your meal. Now, the third restaurant is one that we discovered when taking a Mayan taco tour, hosted by Faustino. And what I'll do is I'll link to the Mayan taco tour in the notes section of this video. Can I tell you, the food was flippin' fantastic. And best of all, we got to try nopales, also known as cactus, for the first time. Excuse the sweat in the picture, but it was really hot. To me, the nopales tasted a little bit like string beans. The food was definitely on point, and my favorite taco was the one that you can see in the upper left-hand corner, which was a pork taco that even had pork rinds served on the side. The last restaurant that we're going to talk about in this video is Pasha. OMG. This is a Mediterranean restaurant, and like many restaurants in Tulum, it was an open-air restaurant. The food here was superb. We had chicken kebabs, lamb kebabs, rice, a medley of vegetables, and freshly baked bread. It's a great atmosphere, and we really felt like we were in the middle of the Arabian Nights, even though we were in the middle of Tulum. So that's it. That's 4 of the best meals that we had while staying in the middle of the jungle side of Tulum. But I'm curious, what was your favorite meal in Tulum? Let me know in the comments section. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and forward it to a friend. This is Cassandra from Passport and Soul. Until next time.